In this video, I am going to show you how to add YouTube videos to your Wix website. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our Wix website and today we are going to add YouTube videos to it. To add YouTube videos to your Wix website, just open your Wix website editor. After that, from the left menu, we are going to click on Add Elements button. And now from here, we are going to select Video and Music. And here we will see multiple options for the video, but we are going to select YouTube from here. And as you can see that YouTube video is now added to our website. Now we are going to change the settings for this video. So this is the default Wix video, and now we will change this video with our own video. So from here we are going to click on change video, and after that we are going to paste our YouTube video link here. And as you can see that our video is now added, and now if you want to turn on autoplay, then you can turn it on from here, and also you can play your video in a loop. Also we have other options for the YouTube video as well, like we can change the layout of the YouTube video, we can change the design, etc. So this is how you can add YouTube videos to your Wix website. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.